Fantastic.
But I am proper. Come the main story is Asante Kotoko team na buzapanyi. Krata bia mani akọ boso. Stanley Menzo adwuma no waye no. And then technical report papa na gye ni bibia no. I want me krata so as a 12 players be safe.
Wow.
15 players be ebi kodada. Ebi beko.
Woo.
Okaboma 27. And that leads me to a critical concern. Say Kotoko team na Japan you na aka less than 15 players last season no more. Coach no ba no adwuma ye pa. I beg to submit board of directors of Asante Kotoko no. They are delaying the appointment of their next head coach. Asem na den ya na yebeka ebi kwa kodi atem nya hwe ebi boy abazo to di atem ahonya hwe and omu pe news and omu pesa board no appoint obi no munya news hey bra na say ye work up ya ye nya fela time Kabiru ya twa numbers no mo nhwa ate blasters news no who post story ba ko 60k asem na ye ka o enti enye news asem Kotoko ni ye house of folk ni ye has a check. At the time they were sacking coach Didi Drama, never say the next day has been announced a new coach. That was my thinking. Kotoko the board the Japan by 12 matches to the end of the season. And about he said 12 matches to the end of the season. And I'm sure Jumaze. Ya boli gina wie me. World Cup ni yame aduma kwesi da ebe na watwe na wie 19th. Ni abo World Cup na wie. Ghana Premier League na busia panyi mtemba bi na busia panyi atia no fa ne phone was breaking news. League fixtures never chance here the first week of September.
Yes.
A weekend of 4th and 7th, between 4th and 7th. Now it's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Ni ye bo abusia panyi na kai so oboa me boa but on won twantro ndie no kre.
Fantastic.
Ya bo league ya wie me ya twam. June atwam. July ni e wo mu. August, September, ni Ebo League. I beg to submit to the Kotoko board that the appointment of whoever say Omoshana Stanley should be Jumana. I don't think there's a problem because Stanley, he has the competence to lead Asante Kotoko as a coach.
Fantastic.
He has the competence. Okra UEFA license and then what you?
Yeah.
On experience, why yes seminars, why yes workshops. Wakwa ye frɛ bi a symposium wan bebrebe to panyi no obetima aye se Kotoko board no na aye adwuma na there is no problem no what so aye but se coach ba beba ne ekena coach beba abuja panyi ebreni ho emfa madasani Kofi Kenata onyumbi ebreni ho madasani enimi ya braba me yanhwe no what to no nyum no fefefe mesre board no de eye enkoto sere omunya ne ntam. A brainy hole. That's the truth of the matter. Asante Kotoko, per credible information crying. Kotoko on the 18th of July, ya womi. Abujana date 6.
Yes.
What did now watch cry kanwa? Yes, I'm fan say 18th the besi memenda ebe na watch here. Kotoko place about reported. No, my medicals, no, and in the question that interview about World Cup final. On the 20th of July, I could call a shit training. I say, almost pre-season. I say,
no coach.
Ebesi, and I see, sitting and Musa, and I see
12 more days to go.
Yeah. This is the concern. One tells you, is on Tiazi, because Miss Women do Masi, to one Temazia, be easy.
No.
I'm Japan.
Yes, sir.
Kotoko asem no wa but mami twa me ho say emra na Ghana Premier League transfers no unim say ye transfer wa ha aha no ye de ensem no e de April obosi Ashantigold assign a Burkina Bay center back.
Wow.
As good any bra bre wo boase on na coach Abdul Karim, 'Karim' 'Zito' ebe ye adwuma no e wo ho. 'Karim' 'Zito' 'Karim 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 'Zito' 'Ka abrante de Ben Yamin Nasiru Kabori. Ben Yamin Nasiru Kabori. Center back obosi Ashantigold afano na Asgold for pan ho ntoma na ho flyer yede ato yem page no so ede amount we abrante de Ben Yamin Nasiru Kabori. Abja pensa me jambo
Richard Pepe Suarez the fella.
me ka sem bi kira e wa ha ya na maka cho say bo Ghana Premier League ni wi a player bia season wo yi no no nimbo no obenya akwanya so obekwa amana na obekwa amana ne ontena kura yi mu ball ne ye na enya ball de ye na ne frɛ ball no mesim mpadin foforo mfanto so na de ye ne ye ball ne nya ball ekom ne ani bra na nkoda ne ball no akaya sema His Royal Majesty eka kire Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo ebra Ghana for to aba etu John Mahama na Akufo-Addo by no call mansiano was Ghana for some nka choto mo de kom ne ani bre ana to aba ne tia ba ko nti so ba no anya adwuma na o mbesa de kom ne ani bre za yi unso afiri ho boys na bo Ghana Premier League o mo de kom ne ani bre na bobo no enti omo motivation kakra no ne motivation nyina ne se nyame nyama dom nyame moa me na me nya numbers na season eno nti na to Ghana player for say wanya deal o ko Libya o ko Lesotho o ko Rwanda Uganda na nimbo na turu for say ho de mo bo kwa wan ya baba say o kai boy no obesi abrusan no e be see stores man na ne maame no
Yeah.
was senior say kam share bo ase na makomienu say ya bank ba jabo kura ya madwuma bi because Branham Ghana Premier League no kwasem se na mini bank account na nkofo ne pam me se me nkofie no omo de $100,000 na jam kwan se jiwe na fa ko obaya na asase bi da omo fie ni musa si abrusan de form ni nyina ya stores je drinks ni nsu agum ne ma metia no e brother start e koyi entem japanyi boys ri nyina eko obi eko sa enrachi na me ka cha say Pando out of Lions captain no maybe bo team no ha ma so be kaya
Yeah.
na team ni di na mintias yem timi mo DBMM mintimi mo ampa yam fan tuja say I confirmed say Ebenezer Aban wakwa sign contract na wa sign contract na ewo Malaysia
Wow.
Malaysia the new nyina nza gen mobo but when we all connect $7,000, $8,000, $9,000 a month bonus so my obo 1 year no mja no kwan a om de $50,000 show nsem ne agya kwan se twa so ma obi ante odi ekofie
Wow.
obeba no atoka kakra no odam enya kom na ye de bon ha no enti abrante de Ebenezer Aban ya na nka kotoko enya omo de Ebenezer Aban beba no se me ka se Razak Simpson eko Finland Ebenezer Aban oko Malaysia. Wow. Iti club ni based in Brunei Darussalam oko Japan nti eno eye die betim dia ka ho eno team ni di no DPMM Duli Pigran Muda Makota Football Club. Now we also be friends on one team ni dia Tio Duli Pengiran Muda Makota Football Club and as I say a branch and aquasign
DPMMFC
the year 2000 yana one at a club.
Wow.
Yeah, you Abuja Pensa Majam
Richard Pepe
House of
Suarez the
Folk
fella.
and Becca has any abre say Nations FC one more player and the at the Brandon Sapon entry. On a MTN Cup, a boy or J best player of the MTN Cup. No, Mekacho has any abre epe a branch.
Yeah.
Ya yam fan to just Brandon Sapon entry. Wa joining Libyan club from Al Madina.
Wow.
Al Madina on a 2-year deal. Ti Al Madina for no Ayisika ato Brandon entry Sapon. Possible say yam Moses in your Bejana Quine. By January time window. No. the omo person oyemo wanya but omo ja kwa no $100,000 no mo de ama asaji ne kofi wate twa so kofi fa ho akwadan so be pan me sure say $1,000 bom wo bo kran mu nyina wo hunu bi da ne ama $100,000 a afa na betu no for we na me say Kotoko no odwene Ghana football ho a esanka ohye unim nika fa njokoto no na nkwa transum anka ne Israel ahemfo ne ade no se prophet ne ba no be ka asem cho na doom for the nation no ma transum esa ka Kotoko transum ensesa nkototo ayampia se an ye korukana mu ni gidie ene edu run of 32 eti ya bomade football na rise Kotoko no esa ko su omo ya ball no so panyi me se esa ko mu su ane ye pata omo eye wo su bi eye nya hwe twaso o eye but omo ba no mo sere sika se no boto mu oba cash e di no sere eno eye se de esi etie more players will leave House of Folk targeted 3 players be ewo Sodro all black folk say no problem but ye pese e di nkomo bu amanone
amfa
eti Rudolph Nana Mensa Junior mu nyina no enkomodie no wo e fa ya no wo ko Kofi Tompuo makacha $200,000 no de ato no so no kroi mu ye teams no obi anya nya de obi abenya sa iska no ye kro mu a
$200,000
abuja panyi as ayi Asante Kotoko mu nyanko mu pepa o but emfa Obuasi Ashantigold assigning a new defensive midfielder na omfiri kurei mu abranche no Togolese matese no obo etoa Filante as good ani abreu
wow
enti oma fa Rafael Kojo echonu nyaselao we de wo hanka me ne kan ngona kakra wo bete edin we de Kojo echonu de obete efon a nanko ajeso eti Ashgold assign so apa another player who free amanone ehontoma and a defensive midfielder Kojo Rafael echonu wono aba abepiem abuje pesa me champo
Richardo Pepe Suarez the fella man original
mamemra Kotoko has targets ni nyine tu kwan
Pepe Suarez
obie ekopis ka papa urade ti omo ye ball me so omo ntimi omo nim se ball na okay omo de omo no cause football ye business omo boa wo mka no kwa baby omo za football ye business ye $100,000 mo nkoma blaster play sasa abusia
yes sir
ye ngura ha
nice one
Asante Kotoko players we omo kodada no Kamara Muhammad bye bye Ojugu Joseph Ablo Kotoko terminate a contract Samba Ndongani or a player at the Masekukuni United or South Africa.
yes
Now no musi nsuo na to nkran fa Samba ne japa de ne passport ne nyoma. Na yesi Samba so otwen age ni ticket ni ade Africa Kotoko. Na Samba Kotoko enye Accra Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Uzu ni mba bi team yo na tenkran na ha mansu fa oyi. But finally wa Kotoko.
okay
Eti Kamara number 1 pesi e kan yo. Abloy number 2.
yes
Samba number 3.
yes
Pitamidu akwa number 4. But mami nyina Pitamidu akwa na menka cho se Obuasi Ashantigold for money abrepa. Mami nchia team president. Na menchia ni general manager. General manager me na nam so mam hint ba akokura se skandi. Matese Pitamidu akwa no. As good for any abre so person for Pitamidu akwa.
wow
Omo mfa ni free Kotoko abrante no oye free agent. To omo fa no omo mfa Kotoko ejapade e player oye free. Na Ashgold for no pushi pa omo offer no panyi mu hwam. Peter joining Kotoko no maka cho dada say he joined as a youth team player then sika no form.
yeah
Dia bia ba kwa yenim ye okroma no say sign player just the contract wu ansa na ya to pay mu. Ashgold for no ready to be tres kakase. Peter Midu akwa enso eni obiem. Baba Yaya player number 5. Ya oni Kotoko biem. Henry Kwame Ansu player oni Kotoko biem. Japan 6 I don't know.
wow
Players ni betima kwa kodru 15 na tie numbers no. Eti adru number 6. Eti ball number na me di play ndi asa.
7
7 ɛyɛ Miami boy Elvis Chebafo Awuche.
8
ɛyɛ Emmanuel Entwi Oboyima. Emmanuel Entwi, player number 8.
9
yɛ Miami Kwame Poku Bayiye. Kwame Poku Bayiye. Aka no 1 year contract ɛwɔ Asante Kotoko. Kwame Poku. 10 yɛ Morfing Donzo. Morfing Donzo. List na mania boss no. Empanyifo no remarks na so nza kwani sika ndoso.
Wow.
Na nyanwo adwuma no woyɛ. Morfing na buzapanyi in terms of dollars woje o. In fact, sika no woje no, Kotoko captain no Samba no. Morfing jibe times 4 of the na Samba je no.
Wow.
Yeah.
11
yɛ Isaac Minta.
12
ɛyɛ Francis Aqua.
13
ɛyɛ Johnson Opon Owusu of a Johnson.
14
ɛyɛ aberante de din ɛde Saka Dawuda.
15
aka no 1 year. 15 no nso kɔ ɛsɛ kam ne kɔ so abetamo a.
Wow.
Ne contract with 15 players we. ɛyɛ the massive shakeup of Japan. Ebetuma si wa Asante Kotoko. Bob Okonum. Massive shakeup. And these are the names Pepe Suarez, painstaking investigation, and reveal at Yamame.
Wow.
Some are catch on Morfin, you know, Asteris beat the home, but a faint. Saka Dauda, you know, Asteris, but a faint. But I want to be a football at the market company for the Saka Dauda, open now. Adia Chia, or sign a contract at the a club in East Africa, me Pepe Makachero.
Nice one.
Call Saka Dauda. Negotiate with him. Bema. Mode man wanka se won so back kono M5 2 years ni. Seasons in M5. Etu anya deal ka cha nkofo no ya nye kakraka bia. Because nkofo no ready so mama Saka personal money of almost $100,000.
Wow.
Second ko $50,000 15 on metim dia kokofi tompo. No mo de sir on cross ahyem se nkofo itimi ton a ya beje bi wo man ntima nton anya hwe sika kotoko e de fa Saka Dauda every bofo kwata no buzapanyi enuru $50,000 why business.
Nice one.
Donzo Morfin no o ton abebre because numbers not about last season enye.
Yeah.
Na mom Donzo me ya aware of deals e wo Donzo ho. Entwam ne nkotua compensation sam fa ma Donzo biem. Da bi. Ekra pre nu de ya ka se pre nu eka pre nu de ye money sa. Enti wo mo enhwe ho no.
Nice one.
Francis Akwade no enye player na asa. Ba coach no ebehwe sporting director trans ye bibia no. Patrick Asiedu born no de makotoko no. Ene Joseph Amwa deputizer no. Also quality player in Francis Akwa no to bench or to work.
Okay.
Uko bechem afane ye a bit fane eka ho. Because bechem for your legend. Uko bechem na busapa me de na season captain. Etifa Francis Akwa ko. O de Francis Akwa ekoduru bechem a. O ka chom se etiye ya ba be pe Kofi Tompo. Mama ya bo mfa nso so na ya hwede ebetima ye. Na na makodi sa nko no. Entwam ma na nkokwa.
Nice one.
Abatamu ane de abuzapanyi waka omo a obebo loan says less than 6 months aso okon baby. Emmanuel Ntwiche bafo kwa mpoku no no. Womo me ben womo ntia me mpese me kan bebrebe ese obeka so to womo me mo di nka ho mfa ho. Donzo de obia nim ne baby a. Obia nim se Dauda Saka nim ne baby a. Wafa Johnson club bi e de approach bi abre Asante Kotoko. Womo nchake.
Okay.
Omzo mbazo mo fa no but omo ntua kapre makotoko. Da bi anya ne so omo kan job say hey na contract without consideration there say valid contract. To omo no omo nka Johnson buy what jiska o. Say $20,000-$30,000 bi na nkofo benya 50 bi no benya msapanyi kotoko nsom. No more for Johnson ko. But 15 players are likely say Kotoko. Any omo ntoa so na season. Na me dia ma 12 we wa ha obre no ko ma menye mu mfama na ya ye no so ho adwuma e dia ma ye ahwefo abusua panyin Same Echampo.
Richard Pepe Suarez, the original fella man. Yes,